Hello traders, welcome back again to my channel. Today I would like to introduce a very interesting and very simple strategy which I have developed for running the algos. Uh, the strategy will show will get very less trades, but most around 65% of winning rate, and with this with 1000 capital, we have got around 200% of 100%, 200% of returns. Okay, so the video will be very interested, and I will explain what is my strategy and how I have did developed this indicator. On all the details I will reveal. Even I will provide the link for download the strategy. Could you please view entire video so that you can understand what I am saying and how you can implement, and you can use this indicator for your strategy and improve your strategy. So kindly watch this video. Okay, here I have taken two indicators. One is Papa Millis indicator. Papa Millis indicator. If you search in uh, TradingView, Papa Millis indicator. Okay, I have taken this one, EMA scalping, Papa Millis. So if you take this indicator, then the indicator will be pop up like this, and this is the indicator inputs. Based on your requirement and all, you can change. I have used this one, and three EMAs I have used 10, 21, 68. I have used, and I have used ATR, and there are two types of this one. I have saw that this is best method, SL and TP based on ATR, and high lows like 10 candles high low, and one more thing is there, but I am not taking this because it is not giving good results. So I am using ATR based SL and this one, TP, target price. Okay, ATR length is 14, and SL length multiplication is 14 into 2, and TP multiplication is 2, and SL percentage. That means this calculation, ATR based calculation, will be do on this for SL, and for this one and this one will take as a target. So this is multiplications, 14 into 2 into 1. That means our SL will be 14 into 2 into 1. One of the, that means 14 into 2 only. But this target wise 14 into 2 into 1.1 is our SL. Okay, the target price. Look back period is 22, and EMA input is 21, and the look back high low is 1. I have taken these inputs. You can record, and you can see and use it if you want to test it. And I am using BingX, so I am not sure whether this will be work on Binance or any other uh, Bybit or something. I don't know. I am using BingX. So if you want to open account with BingX, I will give you the link, reference link. If you open account with my link, so it will be useful for me to get some bucks, uh, some dollar, $5 or something for me to. You can contribute with opening this um, opening account with BingX for me. Okay, so this is our strategy, and winning rate only for 15 minutes candle. 15 minutes candle, so it will run whenever this is green in color and crossover happen with very good volume. So the trade will be executed. See here, one trade and two trades, three trades. See, we can adjust this inputs. Four trades continuously. Four trades is fifth trade got succeeded, and here one buy sell one. Okay, and here seventh trade succeeded, eighth trade succeeded, eighth trade succeeded. This one is loss. So this trade will be executed based on look back period and volume. If the crossover happen, if it is Papamila is red in color, then it will trade. This indicator is I just added here for showing that, but if you implement, if you add this strategy in your chart, you will not get this indicator. Only this EMA line will be updated. So this one also succeeded. This one also succeeded. This strategy is only giving very good results on Sol coin. So you have to test it in Sol coin perpetual contract, because if you apply in any other instead of perpetual, if you have applied on standard, it may not work, or threaten some other contracts, it may not show this result. So I have we can do tweaking on this based on our requirement. We can do lot of changes. So I am using this one. If you want to, I am using 40. 1 minute here. Here EMA length is 21. If you keep 40, the results will be changed. See, 40. If I keep 40, it will give 1908 results. 21 is EMA volume length. Then 1994. It is optimal. So I'm using this. And here this here 40% is drawdown. Here a lot of drawdown is there, but our profit factor is 2.161. Okay, so if you want to decrease the drawdown, something, if you want to change, you can change the script I have added. 1 minute here, sessions I have added sessions. Earlier I am using these sessions. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Mm, Sessions. Okay. Yeah, I have did some allow trading sessions thing. I have removed it here. Allow trading I have removed and tested. It is working like this. This is our 65% is our this output. If I include sessions, that means UK session. If you want to trade in UK sessions only, or US sessions, we can increase this. Our the trades will be less, and our profit also will be very less. So I have removed. It will run on any sessions. There is no limitations of sessions. So see here. Yeah, a lot of adjustments you can do, and you can test it. But I have put that in optimal testing, 40 to 44 trades, and 29 is succeed and 15 losses, and 65% is our winning rate, and we got $1994. And even I have given commission details also here. 0.05% you can increase, but our capital is 1 lakh $1,000, and 10x is $10,000. With the 10x capital, we can run it on the Bing X or anything, but you have to test it properly before running it, because we have 40% of drawdown. So based on that, you have to decide your capital and leverage. So you can tweak it if possible. If you want to tweak it and do any optimal things, and update me in the comments. So I will be very happy if you do any changes in this and give me that details to me. So it may very helpful for me, and I would like to increase my community of traders who is who is developers or any strategies, anything we want to discuss with me, you can reach out to me and ping me in uh, you can comment me in this video. So I am posting this script in Telegram. You can download it and you can open account BingX account with my reference ID. Please click on like button and encourage me to give more strategies like this. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.